going to read aloud of Give Me Half by Stuart Murphy. Now, every story has a problem, Evan. Every story has a problem. Can somebody tell me what was the problem between the kids in the first part of this book? Daniel.
They both wanted the same thing, but he said he only get for one slice, and then they figure out the problem by giving them both.
They both had equal parts, right? So they both wanted pizza, and one kid was saying, "Give me," and this person was saying, "Give me," and this person was saying, "It's not fair."
I think that reminds me of something.
What does it remind you of?
In the shape, I think that reminds me of equal.
I think we're getting there, friends. So that leads us to today's objective, and we are all going to say this. So I'm going to need you guys to help me. And today we're going to learn how to divide shapes. Voices off. Divide shapes. And identify halves, fourths, if I can get this off, halves, fourths, and quarters of circles and rectangles. So we all know, I'll just wait. We all know about circles and rectangles. And today we are going to learn about dividing them into halves, fourths, and quarters. So I have our vocabulary right here. Focus on the speaker. Our eyes are on the vocabulary right here. We already have equal, half, fourths, and quarters. So as we go through our lesson, and you guys help me on your whiteboards, I'll be writing the definitions up here of our vocabulary words. But first, just like Ethan did, I have a huge connection that I want to tell you guys that happened to me this weekend. So, setting down. This weekend, my son went for his first sleepover. And my husband and I were so excited, but there was a problem. We were so hungry, so we decided to order a pizza. However, yes, we got a pizza all without him and everything. So we had a pizza, we were ready to sit down, and we were so hungry, so we both agreed that we would have equal parts. Wait a second. That's our vocabulary. Does anybody have an idea what equal means? What does equal mean, Kyle?
Same.
The same as. So we both wanted pizza parts that were the same.
Pizza box. Pizza Barbies. I had Barbies.
The same as. So, hold on. We both agreed. I'll wait. Oh wait, Evan. We both agreed that if we wanted equal parts, that we could both have half of the pizza. What does half mean, Sydney?
A circle divided.
So if we just cut it into how many parts would it be the same? If we cut it into 2 parts, it would be the same. So I have some examples of a square that's half. I have an example of a rectangle that's half. And a circle that's half. And I will put that up there in a minute. So Sydney told us that it means to divide, just like our objective, divide into 2 equal parts. Divide into, whoa, my radio is going off right now. Equal, divide into 2 equal parts. So we both agreed that we'd have half. That seems fair. Well, here's the problem. My sneaky, tricky husband started cutting the pizza. This is what he cut. I was so angry because I was so hungry. He was going to give me this little piece, this little side. And I said, wait a second, that's not half. And he said, well, this is half to me. I'm just going to give it to you. And I was so angry. So, what I need you guys to do right now is to draw a circle that represents the pizza and show me how he should have cut it by drawing a line. Once you have that drawn, please, could you cut it in half and show me, you're only cutting it in half, and show me your whiteboard. Just flip around your whiteboard so I can see all of your beautiful pieces. Oh, Ethan, that would make me so happy if he cut it like that. How should you? Oh, that would have made me so happy. Good job, Sasha.
Cut it like in the middle so you can have like.
You should cut it in the middle.
Here we go.
That, you guys, that would have made me so happy if you would have cut it like that. What about just in half? Oh, right down the middle. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, whiteboards down.
You should just
Whiteboards down. Markers tapped. So, if I'm correct, Jackson, that's amazing. Ethan, that's amazing. Kyle, that's amazing. Whiteboards down. Is this how he should have cut it? Yeah. So if he would have cut it like this, I would have been super happy. So I got so mad at him, and I said, that is not fair. So he cut it again, and he put it in half. Now it could be half this way. It could have been half this way. Ethan, hands down, and I'll take it in just a minute. It could have been half this way or this way, but I was very happy that he cut it like this. Okay? But sometimes, when my son's not home, we have a Hershey's candy bar for dessert. I know. I should have told him. But, so we got the pizza, and now we have a Hershey's candy bar. Can anybody tell me what shape a Hershey's candy bar looks like? Tien. A rectangle! So it looks like a rectangle, right? So we have this yummy, delicious, chocolate candy bar. Now, could you guys draw me a rectangle on your whiteboard to resemble that Hershey's candy bar and cut it in half like he should have, so I can see what socks look like.
A little piece for you.
Mhm.
I think this is. Or that's not right.
That would have made me very happy, Ethan. Great job, Daniel. Wonderful, Jesse. Nice there, Lonnie.
So you can have like a whole.
You know what's very interesting to me? Great job, Mabel and Isaac. Wonderful job. You have the pizza and you have the candy bar. Perfect. Great job, Desiree. Awesome job, everybody. Whiteboards down.
No, this candy.
Oh, perfect job, both of you. Nice. Whiteboards down. So, now I have a problem. Are you guys ready for my problem?
Yes.
Okay. So, my son only went down the hall because we live in an apartment to stay with his friend who lives down the hall. And I think that he might have known we were going to have the chocolate candy bar. Because his favorite thing is chocolate. So, him and his friend came back home. And they wanted a piece of the candy bar. So now I had to split it into what?
Half.
Fourths. I split it into half. That's dividing it into two parts. So my husband and I got one. But now I have to share it with 4 people. So, how could I divide it? Let me see if you guys could draw a rectangle to represent the Hershey's candy bar and cut it in 4s. So 4 equal parts.
I did it.
Perfect. You know what's interesting? I see a lot of different ways we can cut it. I see some people cutting it with a horizontal and a vertical line. Some people are cutting it with just vertical lines. But guess what? Are those all equal? Yeah! Great job, everybody. Wonderful job, Jackson. Great job, Desiree. Wonderful, Jesse. Nice, Rachel. Perfect, Max. So, oh, amazing, Dominic.
What about me?
Great job, Evan.
Everything works.
Perfect. Now, Sasha, is that 4 parts? So we need to cut it into only 4 parts. Only 4 parts. You have the 4 dark lines, okay? Awesome. So, whiteboards down, voices up. I have one more thing to ask of you. So, can somebody now tell me what force means? Could somebody tell me what they think force means? Cole.
It means that something is cut in 4 equal parts.
Awesome. So, divide.
And then the next one is actually going to be a square. I know it.
divide into 4 equal parts. Now the interesting thing, Daniel, the very interesting thing, Daniel, is that a lot of people cut it like this, and so they put it in 4 vertical, that means up and down. So I have 4 parts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and 4. Okay, perfect. So, my big question is, before I have you guys draw me the next one, what does quarter mean? Did anybody have any idea what that means? What does that mean, Ethan?
Quarter means like, I think it's like the 6.
No, let's think about $1, right? So if we were, yeah, so quarters equal $1, right? So how many quarters would equal $1? Do anybody know? 4. So quarters and fours, guess what? They're the same thing.
What?
They're both equal.
Yeah.
So you're going to divide into how many parts? How many quarters should I put? Divide into what? 2. 4. Great knowing, Nydia.
That means the chocolate bar.
Great knowing. We'll divide into 4 parts. So these two, can everybody say this with me? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was not good enough. Can everybody say this with me? 1, 2, 3.
4.
Can everybody say this with me? 1, 2, 3.
Quarter.
So fourth and quarter, they mean the same thing, okay? But what I found that was very interesting is Max, you did it like this, but I saw somebody also draw a rectangle and they cut it with a horizontal and a vertical line. Now are both of those equal? Yeah. So you could cut it this way or this way. Now here's my big question, because I have a what if. What if my son and his friend also came for the pizza? Could you draw me a circle representing my pizza, and I need you to divide it into fourths or quarters?
I already did that. I did it.
Divide my pizza into fourths or quarters.
No.
Divide my pizza into fourths or quarters.
I'll get a
Nice
mushroom.
job, Isaac. Wonderful job, Sydney. Great job, Cole. Wonderful, Sasha.
I did it.
Nice, Ethan.
All 4 of them.
Perfect. Great job, Otis.
Did it.
Wonderful job, Nydia.
Did it.
Perfect. Awesome, Jesse. Great job, Mia. Wait, down. We're about to go into a little bit of a quick, is it a half or is it a fourth game? But first, perfect. Whiteboard's down. Whiteboard's down. First, I'm going to ask for Ethan's comment. Ethan, could you share with us, please, what your comment
I
is?
think it's teaching us a lesson. It has to be fair.
It has to be, you are so right. It's a fair share. So having a half because it's equal and having fourths or quarter because it's equal is having a fair share. That was a great explanation, Ethan. Yes, Ken?
It's kind of the same thing I do at my mom's house with guys. Each of us get one scoop of
One scoop of ice cream. That's perfect. Or you can have a half a scoop of ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some pictures of shapes that could be divided into half. Now, whiteboard's down, marker's capped. Remember, your marker being capped should look like this. You should put back on your marker, and you should put your whiteboard down either in front of you, to the side of you. Your marker should be capped, and your whiteboard should be in front. It's okay, sweetheart. All right, so when I show you a picture of a half, I want you to give me a double thumbs up. When I show you a picture that doesn't have half, I want you to give me a double thumbs down, okay? So if you see half, thumbs up. If you do not see half, thumbs down. All right, I'm making sure everybody's marker's capped. Dominic, marker down. Desiree, mark it down. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this one. I have quite a few pictures to show you. I like Mabel's face. That's not fair. All right. Good job. I like Sydney's face. She's like, yeah, that rocks is half. Perfect job, guys. Could this be half? It is half down the middle.
Everything is
Everything's pizza. Nice job, friends. You guys are experts already. You're getting experts. Great job. And the last one. Mad or angry or sad face.
Wait, I
Nice
did this.
job.
I
All right,
did this.
thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down.
This.
Evan, thumbs down. Now I'm gonna show you guys a picture of fourth. If it is a fourth, if it is divided into 4 equal parts, I want you guys to touch your nose.
No.
If it's not divided into 4 equal parts, I want you guys to stick out your tongue. Okay? So if it is into fourths or quarters, you should touch your nose. Everybody touch your nose right now. I want to see if you can do it.
With your tongue?
Everybody stick out your tongue. I want to see if you can do it. Alright, perfect. Tongues in, fingers down. If it's in fourths, you're going to touch your nose. If it's in fourths, touch your nose. If it's in fourths, touch your nose, Evan.
Touched it.
Nice. Up, I see some tongues. Up, up. Tongues, 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 tongues. Perfect. I see Mabel. I like Mabel's faces with the tongues. Perfect job. All right. And the last one.
It sounds like I'm vomiting.
Awesome job. All right, tongues in, fingers down. Now, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to be working with a partner, someone who is close to you on the carpet, okay? Now, before you find your partner, you need to listen to my directions. So, take breath. Waterfall, waterfall. Deep in. Alright, friends. The way it's going to work is once you have your partner, Desiree. Are we ready? Once we have our partner, we're going to then play rock, paper, scissors to find out who's going to go first. The partner that is going to go first, Otis, you have to listen to the rest of the directions. The partner that's going to go first is going to tell the other partner what shape to draw. You can choose from any of these shapes on the board. You have a circle, a rectangle, or a square. And then partner 1 is going to tell you how many parts to divide it into. I want to hear you guys using our vocabulary words. So, when I come around and you're working with your partner, Max and Nydia, I want to hear you say, hey, Max. Max is my partner. Max, could you draw a rectangle into fourths? Okay? If Gia was my partner, I'm going to say, Gia, could you draw a circle into half or halves? Okay? So, partner 1 is going to tell partner 2 what shape to draw and how many times to divide it. Once you're done and you see if your partner was right, you're going to switch. So partner 2 will tell partner 1 what shape to draw and how many times to divide it, either into halves, fourths, and quarters. Okay? I will be walking around. Find your partner. Ready, set, go. I do not want you moving around on the carpet. So, you and Oliver, you're right here together. Everybody else is partner. No, we're not. Where you're not partner. It's going to be a really good job. Yeah. And once you fix it, once you so now you tell her what you want to say. And if they can't, draw a rectangle. You can either do a half or a quarter. Quarter, so draw a circle and a quarter. No, you can only draw these three things. Circle, rectangle, and square. Right, so you and Dominic, did you tell Dominic, did you tell Tyler what shape to draw? Dominic. Okay, Dominic. Tyler draw a circle, a rectangle, and a square. Pick one. Dominic. Alright, where does my circle, a rectangle, or a square? No, you can either pick half or a quarter. Okay, half, fourth, and quarter. Which one? Half, draw a circle, and a so in half. Draw a circle, and it in half. And then Tyler, you're going to tell him which one to draw. Fourth and quarters and a big change. Down, we're not going to draw. Which one are you So Jack, where is your next one? Fourth or quarter? One, two, three, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Oh, wait. Turn your bodies around. Markers should be capped. Cap your marker. Thank you. I saw some outstanding work And I even saw some people trying to do more than fourths and quarters, but I want us all to focus on half, fourths, and quarters today. Because you're going to find at your desk, Daniel, oh wait. Lydia. Max, markers, caps. Otis, markers, caps. So, at your desk, there is going to be a sheet. Now, on your sheet, there should be one person at every table that could read the directions to you. But this sheet is only going to test our own knowledge of halves, fourths, and quarters. So, on the first part, you're going to look at all these, and you're going to write yes or no if they're divided into halves. Can I have somebody tell me what halves is? Raise a right hand. Isaac, what is half? What is half? 2 equal parts. All right. On this part, it says, are the shapes divided? I'm going to wait. I can't talk over you guys. I really need to make sure that everybody's listening and focusing on the speaker. This second part is, are the shapes divided into quarters? Can somebody tell me what quarters means? Gia. 4 equal parts. Jesse, quarters is 4 equal parts. So then we're going to flip over, and it's going to be the same thing, except on the second page, it's going to ask you to color half of the shape. Color 1/4 of the shape. If I was to color 1/4 of the shape, and the shape was in 4 parts, which part would I color? Gia? Just color how many of them? Color one of the squares. So when you go back to your desk and it says to color 1/4, you're just going to color one of the squares. So this is going to test your own knowledge. I'm going to call you by row to go back to your desk and get started on your sheet. This should be done on your own. When I see that your row is ready, I will call you to put up your whiteboards and go back to your desk. I don't see any rows that's ready yet.
We're not gonna get a good one, you guys.
For the orange row, please go back and put up your whiteboards and get back